Hey guys, it's Chloe. So today's video is a little get ready with me for a holiday 2017. I just filmed myself getting ready and doing my hair and makeup for Christmas. So I hope you all enjoy and let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is curling my hair. So I'm using this Marcel curling iron and this is what the professionals use. I'm currently in cosmetology school, so I learned how to use one of these. And honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's quite simple and they create the most beautiful like dolled up curls. So I'm sectioning my hair into probably 4 sections I did, and I'm just curling each individual piece and leaving them like big and voluminous because at the end we're going to shake out all of the curls. So here's just a speeded up clip of me doing my hair with these Marcel iron curls.
A spell on me. La vie. Into the room, a fate tattoo on the back of your mind. I just got you.
Also, you guys haven't seen me in a while, so I'd like to talk about my blonde hair. Basically, I started going blonde last January, and I just kept getting highlights and highlights and highlights until I was basically a full blonde. So I'm really loving being a blonde, and if you want to ask for this, I would just say have blonde highlights added and an ashy toner, because toner is the most important thing. It makes the hair color really fit your complexion. So yeah, my color is currently an ashy blonde tone, and I do have to get my roots done. I'm getting them done this week, and I'm actually getting bangs, so that should be interesting. So look out for my next video because I will have my roots fully done. I'll be a full ashy blonde and I'll have some bangs.
You cast a spell on me.
So once all of my curls are done, I'm just going to shake them out a little bit, add some hairspray so they stay in place, and then I'm going to brush them through so I get a full, huge curled look.
Into the room, a fate tattoo on the back of your mind. I just got your eye again, but
and now you guys know me, I always wear my hair half up, half down. I feel like it gives my hair really good volume. It's a really flattering hairstyle on me. So I'm just grabbing a little top section of my hair, putting it into a ponytail, and because this is holiday, I'm adding a black ribbon to my hairstyle to finish off the look.
Everyone said that you would have to go.
So I would say this is a really easy hairstyle to recreate. I just love how these curls turned out, and I'm so excited that I got to share my method with you guys. Definitely tweet me pictures if you recreate my hairstyle up.
I will never be released.
Also, this nightgown that I'm currently wearing is a vintage Dior. I just love how beautiful it is. It's fun to twirl around in, and I don't know, I just thought it worked for this holiday themed video. It's so darling. Now on to my makeup look, and before we start, I just wanted to say that some of these products were sent to me. I will let you guys know which ones they are. So yeah, first I'm starting off with my Bare Minerals primer. This product was sent to me in a PR package, but I do use it all the time. I really love how hydrating it is, and it does keep my foundation staying all day. I'm also spraying my face with this Urban Decay primer as well.
I just got your
So now onto my foundation and concealer duo. I first use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and to go along with that, I use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. So starting with the concealer, I will put this under my eyes and anywhere I have discoloration or redness. Then I'm going to go in with this flat top brush, and I know these were popular a couple years ago on Instagram, but I still use mine. And I'm going to take a little bit of the foundation and put that on my face while mixing it in with the concealer, so I don't have such a big contrast between my concealer area on my face and the rest of my face with the foundation. Now moving on to powder and baking my face, I'm going to use this Givenchy powder, and I can honestly say I'm obsessed with this baking powder. It's so soft and easy to bake under my eyes with. I did get it in a PR package, so there's a little disclaimer there, but I am obsessed with this product. To contour, as always, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I like to create a really soft contour. I don't want it to really take away from the rest of my makeup, so I'm just using this little angled brush and contouring my cheekbones and my jawline and the rest of my face just to bronze it up a little bit.
I will never be released. You cast a spell on me. La vie.
So after my face is bronzed, I have to add a little bit of a glow. So I'm using my Moonstone highlight by Becca to add some glow to my face. This is a really pretty golden highlight, but not as golden as the other highlight I was using, the Jaclyn Hill one, because I like to use the Jaclyn Hill one in the summer when I'm a little bit of a darker skin tone. This one's really pretty for porcelain skin. So I would highly, highly recommend this highlight product. It makes me look like a glowing angel. So now onto blush. I'm using the holiday palette from Too Faced that I got last year, and I'm dipping my powder brush into a really peach toned blush, and I think this is perfect for the look that I'm going for. It gives me really a rosy and peachy cheeks. Now, moving on to my eyes, I'm priming my eyelids with this Urban Decay Potion Primer.
I will never be released. You cast a spell on me.
Taking that same Too Faced holiday palette from last year, I'm using this matte white shade and putting that all over my eyelids to create a base for my eye look. Then I'm starting to darken up my crease with this coffee brown shade, so I'm just putting that in the crease of my eyelids.
I have walked into the room, a fate tattoo on the back of your mind. I just got your eye.
Then I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and adding this slightly darker chocolate brown shade into the crease of my eyelids just to add a little bit more of depth and definition to my eye look. Next, I'm taking this really pretty sparkly pink shade from Kiko and putting this on the center of my eyelids just to add a little bit of a rosy touch to my eye look. Then I'm going back in with my darker brown shade and touching up underneath my eyelids and in my crease. And lastly, to finish up this eye look, I'm taking some of my Becca highlight in Moonstone and putting this underneath my brow bone and in the inner tear duct of my eyelid. For my eyelashes, off camera, I applied these Ardell Wispy lashes and some of my favorite Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And now I'm just lightly filling in my brows with some brown eyeshadow. And lastly, for my lips, I'm going to apply this Givenchy lip balm that's so pretty. It has this nice rosy pink color to it. And then, just to tint my lips a little bit, I'm adding this Posy K lip liner by Kylie Cosmetics. And the outcome of this lip combo is a really pretty, hydrated, rosy lip look. And now to set my makeup, I'm using my Urban Decay setting spray. And if you were curious as to what perfume I'm currently wearing, I'm wearing the Falling in Love by Philosophy perfume. I would say this perfume smells like fresh flowers and true love. I really love this makeup look that I have created. I feel as though it has such beautiful rosy tones and gives off such an angelic look. So I chose to wear this red velvet dress from Windsor. It reminds me of something very old Hollywood. I love the dark red color, perfect for the holiday season. I paired my dress with some black flats, a rose gold Henri Bendel necklace, as well as my rose gold Henri Bendel clutch. I feel as though this look is so sophisticated, elegant, and rosy. It just reminds me of the quote, "Livy and Rose, looking through life through rose-colored glasses." So I just thought I would share that with you guys, as the song playing in the background is Livy and Rose. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I just got your eye again. Come and kiss me, baby. We don't need no mistletoe. We don't need no fireplace.